Types of reaction mechanism. You know that when a chemical reaction occurs, more than one bond is broken up, and on the basis of how the bond is breaking, we can categorize the reaction mechanism into three types. First one is homolytic reaction mechanism, second one is heterolytic reaction mechanism, and third one is pericyclic reaction mechanism. So now I will explain what are these types. So in homolytic reaction mechanism, what will happen that suppose this is A and B is connected by a bond. This is an atom, this is an atom, and these atoms are joined by a pair of electrons. So what will happen in homolytic reaction mechanism? One electron will go to A and another electron will go to B. So this is homolytic cleavage. As you can see that there were two electrons which were forming a bond. So in homolytic reaction mechanism, one electron when this bond will be broken up, one electron will go to one species and another electron will go to another species. So this is homolytic reaction mechanism. Now, what is heterolytic reaction mechanism? In heterolytic reaction mechanism, what will happen that both the electrons will go to one species. Suppose this is A and B forming a bond. Both electrons will come one species and another atom will not be having any electron from this bond. So what will happen that both electrons have came up to one species. Third one is pericyclic reaction mechanism. In this reaction mechanism, what will happen that both the electrons will rotate in a ring, and unlikely in homolytic and heterolytic, where there is, in case of homolytic there will be free radicals, and in case of heterolytic there will be intermediates in a chemical reaction. But in case of pericyclic, there is no free radical and there is no intermediate in the reaction. So in this reaction, pericyclic, both electrons will rotate in a ring and there will be no intermediate, as there was in case of heterolytic, and free radicals in case of homolytic reaction mechanism. Thank you.